These activities all have one thing in common. They can be played in any season and in any kind of weather, thanks to air-supported structures by ASATI. ASATI stands for Air Structures American Technologies Incorporated, the industry leader in air-supported structures for multi-recreational use. Dan Fraioli Sr. is the company's founder and CEO. He's been involved in the air structure industry since 1961.
I had the opportunity to pioneer the air-supported structures from its first use as an air-supported structure system for covering our government military radar antennas. And that led us into applying the air-supported structure to the commercial industry, such as warehousing, construction covers, and most important, the sporting and recreational marketplace. In 1963, I built and erected the first air-supported structure covering over a tennis court. It was at that time that the sporting industry or recreational industry recognized the flexibilities of an air-supported structure for providing total coverage of their facilities in the winter months, and yet flexible enough to deflate, roll up, and put aside for the summer.
Dan Fraioli and the ASATI engineering team designed quality, safety, and durability into each air-supported structure, selecting the best available materials and fabrics. The characteristic quilted look of ASATI structures is the result of our patented bias safety cable net system.
By 1968, the recreational industry started calling for larger air-supported structures for covering track and field facilities. We, at that time, introduced the first cable net system and applied it to the first structure we built for covering a track facility, and that was for Harvard University.
Since that beginning at Harvard, this unique safety network of vinyl-coated cables has been applied to hundreds of ASATI recreational and commercial air-supported structures, transferring fabric loads and membrane stresses to the dome's anchorage. This provides maximum safety factors and extends structure life. Each ASATI air-supported structure is engineered and constructed to the customer's own unique specifications. Here in New Jersey's Meadowlands, we can follow the process step by step for the New York Giants practice dome. After the site is prepared and the peripheral equipment installed, 2 fabric bundles weighing 10,000 pounds each are spread over the entire football practice field. The 2 halves are joined in the center with pre-assembled aluminum clamps, forming an airtight seal. At the same time, other members of the ASATI team secure the fabric envelope to the cement foundation. Next, the vinyl-coated cable network is attached to the perimeter, while airlocks are installed for personnel and equipment access. Meanwhile, other team members connect the fabric envelope to the inflation equipment. In only 3 days after the envelope is rolled out, the go-ahead is given to inflate the dome. 45 minutes later, it reaches its full height of 70 feet. When the dome is fully inflated, ASATI's unique state-of-the-art hang lights are installed. The hang light system was invented and patented by Dan Fraioli Jr., son of the founder and president of ASATI.
After dealing with the problems of pole lighting in air-supported structures, we've designed the DAFT indirect lighting system, which is suspended from the ceiling. It's a unique dish-mounted system which has a 1,000 watt metal halide bulb installed, similar to the pole lighting, except we took the fixtures and mounted them around the playing areas, which increased the lighting by 125%.
These 1,000-watt metal halide lights offer tournament-level indirect illumination at low operating costs. In addition, the structure is equipped with an internal thermal liner for cost-efficient winter heating and summer air conditioning.
By adding a second inner wall, which we call a thermal liner, we created a dead air space between the outer structural wall and the interior thermal liner, very much like the liner inside of your lightweight winter jacket. And that airspace provided us with the thermal resistance for reducing the size of heating and BTUs required for heating a structure by over 50%.
An additional benefit of the soft inner liner is improved acoustics. This is appreciated by the players and Giants fans. The practice dome has become the preferred location for the Giants Touchdown Club. When Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey decided on an air-supported structure for recreational activities, they contacted Dan Fraioli and his ASATI engineering team to design and erect it. The 2½ acre, 8-story, air-supported structure houses a full-sized football field and running track. Today, the university uses the recreational center for a variety of sports activities, including softball, soccer, rugby, and lacrosse. In Lubbock, Texas, the Texas Tech University Athletes Training Facility houses a football practice field that incorporates a unique feature. This multi-purpose facility has artificial turf that retracts to reveal a wood-surfaced basketball floor and provisions for track and tennis programs. At the upper level, a 6-lane running track circles the 300-foot diameter dome. The largest interior golf training center in the United States is located in Greater Cleveland, Ohio.
Good evening, Golf Masters.
An opaque liner partially covering the rear of the interior makes it easy to follow the flight of the ball at the Golf Masters Learning Center. And the liner also helps to heat and air condition this 320-foot diameter, 7-story air-supported dome. The translucent portion allows natural illumination of the 58 T-stations by day and becomes a huge reflector for ASATI's all-sports hang light system at night. A unique feature at Golf Masters is the automatic ball retrieval system. A variety of sports are played in the Ultimate Sports Dome in Aurora, Illinois. Golf, softball, and soccer are among those played in this 7-story all-weather sports arena. A rapidly growing application, and the next pioneering benchmark for ASATI air-supported structures, is the Family Entertainment Center. Day or night, in any weather, kids enjoy a variety of activities under these air-supported domes.
Since entertainment and family entertainment generally is enjoyed outdoors in an open environment, we provide that type of environment with the use of our air-supported structure. The fabric walls are translucent, so when you walk into our structure, no matter what the weather may be, it provides a very open outdoor environment.
In addition to sports and recreation facilities, air structures find wide use in a variety of other applications. Schools use them for temporary classrooms and gymnasiums. Industry uses them as air warehouses, where the constant flow of air keeps the interior free of condensation and moisture, and the coated fabric provides protection from ultraviolet radiation. Chemical plants use air structures to protect the contents of storage tanks and reservoirs from contamination and evaporation. and pollution is controlled by trapping and eliminating odors at waste treatment plants. At Air Structures American Technologies Incorporated, we provide the full range of services from design concept to final turnkey installation. We've shown you only a few ways air structures are utilized. Like their shapes and sizes, their uses are as limitless as the air with which they're supported.